It's Nicole. I am finally getting on here and editing my last project with the January 2022 Flavors of the Month kit from the Scraproom. The lower right hand corner is the kit that I am working with today, which is a Vicky Bouton collection. I believe it's called Fernwood. This late in the game, I lost my sheet of notes, so I'm kind of winging it. I paired this kit with the Freaky Fast Friday formula, and I stuck to just the main kit. Most of the time, if I am doing one of the challenges from the Facebook group, so either the current sketch, the throwback sketch, the formula challenge, I like to only use the main kit. I try not to go to the pattern paper add-on. I try not to go to the embellishment add-on because I really want to sort of give a real life expectation of what can you do with just the main kit. So just like every other video, I keep this part real time so that we can kind of go through, look at the kit. This is sort of me weeks ago looking at all of this stuff and trying to come up with a plan. Because I'm working with the formula off to the right, you can see I do have my pieces pre-cut on some scrap cardstock. That's just a method that I prefer to use. And I've mentioned it in other videos where I've done the formula. These are the extra 2 sheets of paper that match this line that come in the pattern paper add-on. And these are in the embellishment add-on. I loved that sheet of phrase stickers, and I really wanted to kind of have almost like a 6-inch wide section of just all of those phrases like stacked up and having those phrases be like one giant fun title. And I was kind of bummed that I had told myself, stick to the main kit and kind of apply it to the challenge, just the main kit. So when I was posting my layouts in the design team group and I was looking at what everybody else had done, oh my gosh, Miss Emily did what I wanted to do, and she did it on a double page layout. So I was like, yeah, it was like so satisfying because I was like, she kind of did what I was seeing in my mind, but hadn't had a chance to do it myself. I'm not sure that I'm going to have a chance to go back and do anything with the scraps on this one. Never say never, but for now it's kind of on hold. I tend to procrastinate and then I kind of get myself in the weeds. So I'm kind of playing catch up today. Like this layout, I believe was posted on the blog and like Instagram on the 16th. And what are we at today? The 21st. So I feel a little bad about that, but I'm getting it up. I've got 2, 3 other videos like ready to go to be edited. I'm halfway through filming another video. I'm in the middle of filming a really big clean with me. I'm just having a hard time with the procrastination. It's like I want to do other things, but more basic things need to happen first. It's kind of like when you want to do like an organizing or like DIY project around your house, but in order to do that, you really do need to do like the regular housework. And so that's kind of where I'm at. So I just kind of keep making like notes of ideas that I'm having and plans that I had loosely set in place. I will not verbalize those because you guys know I hate sort of putting it out there. And then I feel like I have to follow through and I don't always follow through. It's like a whole thing. So anyways, back to the layout. I had a little bit of a struggle with these specific formula numbers. I think that they're kind of more designed for like those loose layers and stuff like that. When I was looking at it, I was like, man, these are just some big pieces. But I think it's because I'm typically a more linear type of scrapbooker where I don't really layer a whole bunch of stuff. So I just kind of had to get a little creative with how I was layering them to sort of fit within my style while also not like hacking into those sizes and changing them. The only thing that I did modify was one of the sizes was like a 4x10. I decided to modify that, and that's sort of what my photo collage is representing. Mostly because I really just didn't feel like I needed a fifth pattern paper. These are very vibrant. There's a lot going on. My type of mixed media where it's already printed and done, I don't have to mess with it. And I was struggling to kind of figure out, okay, if I go with 5, like, where are my photos going to go? I think I easily could have matted the photo collage onto that fifth pattern paper, but in the end, I just kind of decided to omit it or plug in my photo collage as that fifth formula piece. Kept my journaling super simple. These were just kind of photos that I had taken throughout an entire week during distance learning, which was basically Nevada Reading Week, where they all kind of get different challenges, different dress up days. On the last day, like on the photo on the far right, my son's class was watching a movie that was based off of a book that they had read, and so he invited his sister to come watch the movie because she was done for the day. So it was just kind of all these random things, and I was like, it seems like it would fit with this collection. So that's it for this one. I need to get started on February's kits. I already have them in hand. They're super cute. But I'm going to leave you guys here. And as always, thanks for stopping by, chatting with me in the comments. And I will be back in another day or so with another video.